Hi everyone, this is Steve with React sa Filipino actor based in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito na reaction video. Ang TikTok compilation latest from K-Deluxe. Actually, hindi ko talaga siya ginawa ng reaction video kasi ayokong magmadali. Gusto ko talagang busisiin kasi from the previous days, ang dami kong ginawa ng reaction video. Naghahabol talaga ako. Pero ngayon, medyo kalmado tayo. Gagawa tayo ng K-Deluxe. At least, dito talaga mabusisi ang reaction video natin ay mapansin talaga lahat natin ng details. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Pero bago ako magsimula, let's hail to the new king and queens of Star Magical Prom, which is K-Deluxe. Diba? Actually, sila talaga din yung bet ko sa totoo lang. Kasi give chance to others kasi ang Don Bell din lang. Gusto ko din yung Don Bell, gusto ko din yung Pancet. Pero kasi this is their first time. So parang hindi pa sila naka-attend ng prom last year. And gusto ko din sila manalo. Ang hirap na kasi tatlo talaga yung paborito mo na andun na naglalaban-laban sa totoo lang. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Anyways. Ano to? Ang ganda ng gown niya, no? Ang ganda ng suit ni Katie Perez. Sobrang ganda ng gown niya. Kakaiba yung gown niya. Diba? Ay, ito. K-Deluxe is from King and Queen Star Magical Prom 2024. Hindi ko nakita ang video ng tinatawag sila. Pero sana makita natin. Sana makita natin. Deserve. Ang dami din naman nagsabi na deserve. Awesome. Okay. What's next? Say on how. Ito yung definition nila. I love the transition. I love the transition. Ay. Ang ganda ng transition at satin. Okay, what's next?
Here in the Star Magical Prom 2024, you're invited. All of
Okay, alright. Wala naman iba. Ito. Gusto ko daw yung tinatawag. Yung tinatawag, tignan natin.
as they come up, step up with Sir Roxy, K-Deluxe.
Ay!
Lahat ng mga fans online nababaliw na. They're so happy to see their stands here up.
Best proposal this year. Maganda din naman yung proposal.
As well, you guys have the best proposal awards
Yes,
from
sir.
fellow members of the Star Magic family. Whoa! And of course, with Sir Roxy, a picture right here in the center. Brightest smiles. And what smiles they have, ladies and gentlemen. A beautiful.
Oh, okay.
brightest-
Okay, what's next?
The close-up amazing couple of the night.
What's next? Anyways, nag-propose. Ang nag-propose niya. Best proposal, actually.
But of course, to all of our fans
Ay,
online, I'm sure you're so happy
ay, ang
as they
ganda
take
yung
their picture, as they join hands as well, and memorize that moment, ladies and gentlemen.
ganda
You
lang.
see once
Diba?
again your Star Magical Prom 2020.
Talaga. Ang bait ni Belden. Si
But of
Belden
course, to all of our fans online, I'm sure you're so
sila po
happy.
picture
So
siya.
as they
Tama ba
take
ako?
their picture, as they join
Ganda ng
hands
gesture
as
ni
well,
Belden.
and memorize that moment, ladies and gentlemen.
At nga ba?
You see once again your Star Magical Prom 2020.
Okay. What's next? Ay, ito. Yung kauri. Yung kay... Okay. Si Angie. Okay, wala na ba? Magana pa tayo. Magana pa tayo. Meron pa yan. Baka meron pa. Wait lang. Ay, ito.
Siguro ito din, it's something I wish I had developed myself to become more confident.
Ano naman yung may papayo mo for the young girls out there?
Ah! Okay.
Aw, thank you. Siguro ito din, it's something I wish I had developed myself to become more confident, to not be afraid to take risks, because I feel like that's the point of life, diba? You
Correct.
risk, you win some, you lose some, and that's just life. So it's unavoidable. So take risks, do it afraid, and don't let the opportunity pass.
Talino ba?
Amen, girl! I would like to see you win some more because, girl, you will flourish. You are flourishing. Thank you, Alexa. See you
Thank you,
later.
love. See ya.
Okay. Ay, ito.
It's well, it's like a best friend, but more. It's the one person in the world who knows you better than anyone else. It's someone who makes you a better person.
What's a soulmate?
Okay, that's next. Ito yung sayaw nila. Grabe ang tinilikid. Naluloka ako sa tinilikid. Ano maglabas sila ng vlog, bro? Please. Ano maglabas talaga sila ng vlog? Matang na ko. Gusto ko na makita ang vlog nila. Ito inspiration. Everything. Anything. It's always need to do. What is the plus for today's video? Hindi ko ma-idea. Alright, there you go guys. It is our for today's video, the KDLX Star Magical Prom TikTok compilation. In fairness, I love it. Deserve naman kasi talaga nila Hakot Award. Tuwang-tuwa naman ang mga natin ito, sweethearts. So yeah, this is KJ Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye!